Hey there YouTube, what's going on? TITaniumCOD back from TITaniumBrothers. Today I'm going to give you a little hamachi tutorial, and this is going to be on how to connect a Minecraft server to hamachi, so that you can go on it and your friends can go on it and everything like that. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to want to download Log Me In Hamachi. Is right here, and there'll be a download link in the description. And what you want to do is you want to click network, create a new network, and go to network ID, and you basically just want to type in whatever you want your server to be called, what people type in to like find it. So I'm just going to type in TITaniumBrothers. And password 123. You can join this. This will be my server. And little green thing there pop up. 1/5 because no one else has joined your server. There's your hamachi IPv4 address, and you then want to, if I do this bit with you, if you just head on to Minecraft.net, let's go under there. Go to where it says Play Minecraft here, go to Download, and it'll say Multiplayer Server. If you're running on Windows, I'm just going to say blah blah blah. If you want to use jar, click that one. I will click this one, it'll be a lot easier. Save the file. On Google Chrome it'll come up here obviously, but yeah, I'm using a different thing. Before that downloads, you just want to make a new, it's lagging a bit. If it loads, you just want to make a new folder. Name it whatever you want. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna name mine tutorial. And when that's finished scanning for viruses, you can just drag and drop that on there. And if I open this up, you're gonna have that one thing there. So double click on that. Wait for it to load. If it ever loads, it takes a while to load up, but all your friends have got to do then is just go into the hamachi, type in your address thing, and then it'll work like that. And as you can see, all these different things have loaded up now. It'll just be preparing all this. Don't worry about any of that. Don't worry about any of that. Or I'll tell you what that all means in a second. But basically, that's just like, because it's all new, it's basically putting all the new things on. It's not recognizing it because there's nothing in there. So when that's done, this will happen. It'll go to that, done for help, type help, and if you type help, all of the commands will come up. Nice. So you can give players XP, you can toggle game mode between 1 and 0, 0 being normal and 1 being creative. Stops the server. So when you run this server, never ever ever just click the X button, always click stop. Type stop, should I say, teleport, IOP, DOP, whatever. So now we can just stop the server. So just let it stop. And then there should be a server properties file. Yeah, just double click on that, and all this will come up. So right here, this is what we need to focus on, where it says server IP. If you just click there, go back into your Log Me In Hamachi, right click, and click copy IPv4 address. Now you need this, else your friends won't be able to connect. So then just copy that in. I use Control V. Max build height, whatever. Spawn NPCs, creepers, stuff like that. No, just like NPC villages and stuff. Level name. Now you can choose new level name. I'm just gonna call mine TITaniumBrothers World. Okay. And this will what be coming up at the bottom. So if I just type in TITaniumBros, then that looks pretty cool. Then you can really just leave that the same. I'm gonna bump that up to 100. View distance, you can put up to 30 if you have really a lot of RAM, but I don't really have a lot of RAM. Allow never, that's to go into the never. Query, don't really know what that is, don't really know what that is. Server port, keep that the same unless you're interested in port forwarding, but I wouldn't recommend that. Then you can just exit, click save, run the server again, minimize that, you don't really need that again, just let it load up, and then the IP, because you're always connected, because you're the host, the IP, that IP there, you go into a multiplayer, add server, if I just call this TITaniumBrothers, and just copy in that address by clicking Ctrl V, hit done, and just let it load up. I don't think it's finished doing the spawn area, no, so when that's finished that'll go green and then say like full, well, however much your thing is. But yeah, other than that, I'm using Camtasia Recorder as well. Can't really like get rid of that credit because it's there, so I might as well just show you that. So yeah, now I think, yep, there we go, it's finished. So now if I just refresh it, refresh it again, just, you got to do that a few times, I think. Saying the can't keep up. Okay, wait, a bit of technical difficulty. Let me just try this again. I think it's got, I'm not sure because this was working earlier. Add server, let's just keep it normal, click Ctrl V. It's gonna work now? You're gonna like me? Yeah, there we go. So as you can see, it says what I typed in before. It says how much out of 100 there is, how fast it's running, which is, that's 3 gigs of RAM basically, I think, I'm not sure. So if I just hit join server now, and as you can see, just give it a second, whilst it just like logs me into the server. The first time it ever logs in, it will take a while, and if you just see here, save a project logged in with entity ID, that's your ID. Okay, so obviously first of all you're going to get a bit of lag just like the world generating, so change the settings to the best, which are these here, so just take time to pause the video and just have a look at these. Turn the sound of music down. Okay, now let's run through a few server commands. Obviously you're going to want OP yourself, so hit OP save project. That's my Minecraft name, so just let it do that. Or do I have to do, I think I have to do it directly off the console. OP save project. So usually if you just look up here where my cursor is, that's the activity on the server. So if that's full, that means that a lot of people are like moving around and stuff. So if I just go back here and move around, if I just go up here and jump around and move around and stuff like that, and go back here, you see it bumped up a little bit there. That's good. Okay, so now if I just hit enter, let's go back to, let's go type in question mark again, OP player. So OP saver project, and hopping, see there, it says you are now OP, so now I can do all of that stuff. So if another person joins my server, I can do all of that, and this is like the basic server that you actually want, like to play with your friends and stuff. It's really good. You can give yourself XP. So if like you say you want to reward a player, you go to here, you go to XP, and then I think it's amount. So it's an XP amount, player amount. Sorry. So you just want to go XP, save a project, and 5,000 if they've done a really good job. And then as you can see there, 52. So I just got 52 levels. So obviously as being the leader, you're going to want a few levels. And here's a forest biome. Don't know how the hell I spawned right near one. So if I change the game mode, save a project, and I change it to 1, now I'm now in creative mode, so I can do whatever you want to do in creative mode. So I can go up a tree or something. As you can see now, kind of flying about. So yeah, if you guys do want to join my server, just there's my details, TITaniumBrothers and passwords 123. There's the IP to log in. Just go ahead and do that. There's no whitelist, so anybody at all can join. If you do something that I like, you get OP, so everybody just go ahead and join. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it helped you. So yeah, see you guys in a future date. Goodbye.